Hey, what's up guys, it's Jun Chin aka Lex Q here, and today I'll be reviewing this Alcatroz AirPad 1. It's a wireless keyboard and it has a mouse pad. Okay, so long story short, let's unbox this. Behold, the Alcatroz AirPad 1 wireless keyboard is in white. It's completely white. Looks clean. Alright, so inside the box you will see an extra battery. It's free. It's inside the box, and a user manual. Okay, basically this manual is going to teach you how to use this keyboard. It's just like a typical normal keyboard like what we use, but there's a few differences between this keyboard and the keyboard we use. So no worries, when you buy it you will see a user manual inside the box, so just look for it. Alright, okay, so let's try to on this thing. Okay, so before you turn on this thing, do double check whether your battery is inside, because the keyboard needs battery to work on it. Oh, cool. Alright, so there's a wireless, the USB thingy to let you connect to your laptop or a desktop. Don't forget to plug this thing in your desktop or laptop, or else you turn on a keyboard but you cannot connect it because you forget to plug in this little USB thingy. Okay, so I'm going to put this battery in. Okay, so after you insert the battery, you need to turn on this thing behind here. It's here. Okay, let you guys see it. It's here. There's a on words and off words. The word is quite blend into the white keyboard color, so just remember, turn left is off and turn right is on. Okay, so I'll turn on this. Then you will see a red light here. Okay. So when a keyboard is out of battery or the battery is dying, then you will see the red light indicator will start blinking. Okay, so right now I'm going to plug in this USB thingy to my laptop. Okay, so when I'm done plugging it in, you will see the blue light here. If you see a blue light here, means that you already done connecting to your desktop or your laptop. Okay, so let's try the key in the laptop. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so this is my page. Here's the mouse. Okay. The DPI is quite high and the keyboard, but no worries, you can set it. Okay, so let's try on something. Alcatroz AirPad 1. Wow, it's 100% accurate, and you also can turn on the num lock. FN, F11, so you can type all the number here. Wow. Okay, so let's try the mouse. When I press left, yup. Okay, so what if I press right? Let's try volume up. Oops, this is volume down, right? Okay, volume up. Yep, it's working. And mute. Yes, it's working. Okay, let's play some music. I just simply play one song. Okay. Stop. Okay, it's working. Everything is fine. Okay, this keyboard is very light and is kinda very easy to carry if you are looking for those keyboard without wire, you know, all the wire. The keyboard also not really loud when you press on it. I mean, it's soft. Okay, it's not like those mechanical keyboard. The mechanical sound. No, if I press it hardly, then you will listen like this. Okay. Alright, so none other than that, the keyboard also contains UV coated in each keypads. There's 104 keys in here. So what does a UV coated do? So it will ensure the longer durability of your keypads. Each keypads will have this thing. I don't know whether you guys see it. There's like something like a sticker. Okay, wait, let me zoom in. Okay, it's something like a sticker. There. See the words? Yeah. Okay, so the system requirements for those who are using Mac, Windows, no worries. They already upgraded it to Windows 10. So if you have a Windows 10 desktop or keyboard and you are worried that maybe this keyboard cannot connect to your desktop or laptop, okay, no worries. And this keyboard not only connects to your desktop or your laptop, also can connect to your smart TV like Samsung TV or iOS, Apple Smart TV. Alright, so I think that's about it. That's the review. That's the end of the review. Thanks to Alcatroz Malaysia for sponsoring me this amazing wireless keyboard. It's Junchin, aka Let's Q here, and peace out. See you guys in the next video.